Every kid likes the need for speed, and that kind of pulled me into cars. How do you get faster? How do you get more power out of this? Car engines have changed over time a lot. In the early 1900s with Packards, they had 7-liter engines. We're barely getting any power out of it because there was no efficiency, there was no mechanical design. And as it has evolved, kind of similar with the jet engines, you need a third of that displacement and you still get as much power, even more out of it. One nice part about being out here in Carlsbad is I can go down to the beach and look at waves, and you get to see pelicans hugging the water as they come down. And when you see a wave, a swell forming, they kind of just hug that and take the energy out of that and can keep flying without even flapping their wings. It's a great thing to understand and bring that to work. You're part of one world, and we have to make sure that all our individual actions aren't going to be detrimental to the environment, and the ceramic matrix composite material is going to help us achieve that. CMCs are going to help our jet engines tremendously in the future because the materials can be run hotter. We can use less fuel and essentially have a cleaner, more efficient engine. Coming from a big place to a facility like this, where it is a smaller group, it essentially is a startup backed by Pratt and Whitney. And so we have the resources and funding to get things done. I originally am from San Diego. This region is essentially sunshine and burritos. It's great weather, it's great culture, everybody's friendly, it's relaxed. It's a little beach town. Watching the surfers, waiting for that right swell to come, it just helps you understand that there's different amounts of energy in things and you can't force catching a wave. But essentially that's the same thing with getting power and efficiency. You have to understand how it works and then you have to work with it. My name is Ahmed. I'm proud to be creating sustainable, high-performance aviation engines.